Living in Laurel, Maryland offers many benefits, from charming neighborhoods and bustling local businesses to convenient access to both Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. However, with the perks of city proximity and suburban living often comes one major downside: noise pollution. Whether it's busy traffic on Route 1, construction, trains, or noisy neighbors, unwanted sound can easily creep into your home and disrupt your peace. Fortunately, there's a highly effective solution: window replacement. If you're dealing with a noisy living environment, upgrading your windows can make a dramatic difference. Here's how replacing the windows in your Laurel home can help reduce noise pollution and create a quieter, more comfortable space for you and your family. Older windows aren't built to block sound. Many older homes in Laurel still have single-pane or poorly sealed windows that do little to keep out exterior noise. Over time, the seals weaken, and the frames may develop gaps that allow sound waves to pass through more easily. These outdated windows often amplify, not buffer, the sounds from the outside world. Modern window technology, however, is designed with both energy efficiency and sound reduction in mind. If your windows are more than 15 to 20 years old, it's likely time to consider a replacement that offers better acoustic performance. Double and triple pane glass for superior noise control. One of the biggest advantages of window replacement is the option to upgrade to double pane or triple pane windows. These windows consist of 2 or 3 layers of glass with air or inert gas, like argon, between them, which helps block sound waves from passing through. The multiple layers of glass, combined with the insulating gas, significantly reduce the transmission of noise, including traffic sounds, barking dogs, and loud neighbors. In high-traffic areas of Laurel, this can create a noticeably quieter indoor environment, especially in bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices. Laminated glass offers enhanced sound dampening. For homeowners looking for maximum noise control, laminated glass is an excellent option. Laminated glass includes a special interlayer between the panes that not only improves security but also absorbs and dampens sound vibrations. This type of glass is often used in airports and recording studios for its acoustic benefits, and it can do wonders for your home, too. When combined with professional installation, laminated glass windows provide some of the best soundproofing available for residential properties. Proper sealing and professional installation matter. Even the best windows won't reduce noise if they aren't installed correctly. Gaps between the window frame and the wall, poor insulation, or loose fittings can all allow sound to leak in. That's why it's crucial to hire professional window installers who understand the specific needs of homes in Laurel. A skilled installation team will ensure that your new windows are properly sealed and insulated, maximizing both their sound blocking and energy-saving potential. Added benefits: energy efficiency and home value. While noise reduction is a key reason to invest in window replacement, it's not the only one. New windows also improve your home's energy efficiency, helping regulate indoor temperatures and reduce utility bills, especially important during Maryland's humid summers and chilly winters. Additionally, noise-reducing windows are a value-adding feature for potential buyers. If you're thinking about selling your home in the future, quieter interiors will appeal to a wider audience and help your property stand out. A peaceful home starts with the right windows. You deserve to relax, focus, and sleep without constant background noise. Window replacement is one of the most effective and long-lasting ways to achieve that peace and quiet, especially in a vibrant and active area like Laurel. Whether you live near a busy road, in a lively neighborhood, or just want a more tranquil indoor environment, replacing your windows with sound insulating options is a smart investment in your home and your quality of life. Final thoughts. Noise pollution can take a real toll on your comfort, health, and happiness at home. But with modern window replacement, you can restore the peace and quiet you crave. For Laurel homeowners, partnering with a trusted local window expert ensures a high-quality installation and long-term results. Ready to enjoy a quieter home? Explore your window replacement options today and experience the difference for yourself.